Hey everyone and welcome back to your channel. Today we are diving into the latest buzz around Reese Witherspoon's Deacon Philippi, who recently gave a tour of luxurious nice apartment. But it seems like to everyone impressed. Stick around as we break down the internet reaction, Deacon past Josh if you enjoy celebrity updates. Don't forget to subscribe for more entertainment news. While many were irritated by the check aesthetics of Deacon apartment, a section of social media users could not help but label him a nepo baby. The term short of nepotism suggests that Deacon opportunities and lifestyle are a result of a famous percentage rather than his own achievements. So what your thoughts on the Deacon Clapper nice apartment to your other Nepo baby Blackish? Do you think the affair of just someone based on their family background? Drop your opinions in the comment below. Hey everyone and